Hi guys, in front of me is iPhone and let me show you how to edit Memoji on this device. So at first open new message, tap on Memoji icon right here, and if it's about this Memoji, tap on more icon and select edit. And now you can smoothly and easily change Memoji, so you can do whatever you want with this Memoji here. Just go through the whole process. You can also change the skin. Then let's go back to, for example, clothes and some headwear. Let me add some headwear so the change is pretty visible. Like, actually it is visible, but still I will just add it, then tap on done when you finish, and as you can see, here is your edited Memoji. So it was like this before because here I've got the duplicate, and now it looks like this. So this is it, that would be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.